Well, I have to say that I was so excited when I found Greg because I have been troubleshooting my foggy front lights of my 2010 Mazda for like 4 years, 3 or 4 years. And so much so that I've tried toothpaste. I went online and bought some of those kits, and that just made everything worse. And I went on eBay and bought these new headlight things, which don't fit, so don't even bother getting those. And then I went to a Mazda dealership and they said, oh yeah, this is a huge job, takes the whole bumper off, all of this stuff. You should just get it, you know, kind of buffed up. And I said, where do I go? And they said, let me look into it. And so he gave me Greg's number at Awesome Headlights. And I don't know where he found it, maybe just online, but it has been fabulous. Greg has come out to my driveway and it has been pouring rain all day. He set up a canopy. He's been out there buffing up or doing something. I'm assuming something on the headlights. He says he's all done. He's taken a while, but I'm really excited to see what it looks like. So I'm
Sounds
excited.
good.
Okay.
All right, let's go get wet.
All right, I'm excited. Okay.
Megan, are you ready to see your headlight fixer
I'm
upper?
really excited and I'm ready to see my headlights.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh, they look
Bam!
they look new. That is crazy.
Seriously?
Oh yeah, they look brand new.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, that's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
No more
Thank you, Greg.
scratches.
That is
No more scratches, eh?
Oh, I love it, and it's such a cute little convertible. Thank you so much. This
Yes.
is amazing.
Yep. All right.
Cool.
Well, it's noisy and nasty out here, so we'll call it, and there you go.
Thanks so much.